Welcome back, you're with Goa 365. A procession of Our Lady of Fatima was taken out from St. Andrew's Church, Vasco, yesterday to commemorate the apparition of Our Lady of Fatima at Fatima in Portugal.
Thousands of people from all walks of life took part in the procession that passed through F.L. Gomes Road, Swatantra Park, before it returned to the church. Speaking to Goa 365, the parish priest of St. Andrew's Church, Vasco, Reverend Father Jose Antonio da Costa, said that Catholics across the globe celebrate this feast of Mother Mary.
It's a day of Mother Mary. All Catholics across the globe, they celebrate the feast of Mother Mary because every person loves his mother, and all the world loves Mother Mary because she really loves her children and blesses with gifts. She appeared today in Fatima, Portugal. She appeared in Lourdes, Valakani, and so many places. And she is imploring for all of us so that peace may reign in this world.
Reverend Father Jose further said that prayers for our motherland figured prominently at the celebrations.
We have prayed for our motherland. We have seen so many Hindus, Muslims participating in his long procession. As we love Mother Mary so much because she is a queen of peace. And we all pray that peace may reign in this beautiful India and Goa at large. It's very happy, enjoy good brotherhood and solidarity, and make our Goa, our India, a board of peace, love.
The second anniversary of the Roman Konkani magazine, Jeevit, was celebrated recently at the function held at the Marga Municipal Hall.
The Deputy Speaker, Morvin Goodinow, spoke about the need to provide government assistance to further local talent in the field of Konkani books, films, etc.
आमचे कोंकणी जे फिल्म मेकर आहात तांकां कितलो स्थान मेळटा तांकां स्पेशल आधार दिवपाचो फायनान्शियल हेल्प करपाचे जावं ते टीव्ही सिरियल जावं ते आमचे फिल्म सरकारान आधार करपाक जाय जेन्ना आमी कोट्यांनी पयशे मोडटा फिल्म फेस्टिवलाक कोंकणी वयर काडपाक कोंकणी फिल्म करपाक शॉर्ट सिरियल करपाक कोंकणीन तेन्नाच कोंकणी वयर सरतली आमची कोंकणी तरी पडजोडीत जातली जावं ते आमचे रोमन स्क्रिप्ट तरी फुडें वयतले आमचे गोंयकारांक आमचे बुरोणारे जे आसा जेन्ना इतले बरे आमचे तियात्रीस भाव आसा ते हे कोंकणी माचेर काम करता तांकां संदी मेळपाक जाय फिल्म सुद्दां प्रोड्यूस करपाक शॉर्ट सिरियल सुद्दां प्रोड्यूस करपाक आनी टेलिफिल्म प्रोड्यूस करपाक तेन्नाच खऱ्यांनी कोंकणी भाशा वयर सरतली.
The Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, who was the chief guest at the function, commended the publishers of the magazine.
ह्या वर्साचे मासिकाचे प्रिंटींग पळयतकीर म्हाका दिसता खरेंच ह्या जिवितांत एक भरारी घेतिल्ली आसा गेल्ल्या 2 वर्सांत म्हणून हांव सगळ्यांत पयलीं बाब एगीक बाब विन्सीक आनी बाब मायकलाक हांकां काळजांतल्यान परबी दिता चान्स दिला स्कोप दिला ह्या मासिकांत आपले लेख हाडपाचे बरोवन हाडटात आनी मासीक जाता तितल्यान चड लोकां पर्यंत पावोवपाचो एक प्रयत्न सरकाराचो तेंको ह्या मासिकाक सदांच आसतलो हें हांव ह्या वेळार सांगपाक सोदतां.
Mr. Kamath also spoke about the government's initiative to further develop local art forms such as theats in the state.
तियात्र अकादमी फॉर्मार करपाची सरकारान तातूंतल्यान तियात्राक एक बरो सपोर्ट सरकारी पातळीचेर मेळ्ळो आनी म्हाका आनंद जाता की सरकारान तियात्र अकादमी करपाचें ठरयलें डिसिजन जालें बहुधा फायनल स्टेजीचेर अकादमीचें फॉर्मेशन आसा बाब थॉमासीन कार्दोज हो ताजें कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बी सगळें त्या तियात्रिस्तांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवन जाल्लें आसा कदाचित ह्या म्हयन्या भितर ही तियात्र अकादमीचें काम मार्गाक लागतलें.
Goa 365 spoke to the publisher of the magazine, Mr. Michael Gracious, who told us about his future plans.
In the year to come, we have 2 major projects in view. The first project will be a subscription drive, wherein we are going to go to different villages, all the villages of Goa around the corner, and take this magazine to the masses. The second is we are going to concentrate on the development of poetry, we have already formed a committee of writers under the leadership of college lecturer Jasmine Rodriguez and Minin Almeida. Under these two people we have formed this committee, and every month we are going to meet. All the poets will come together and recite their poetries, and we are going to work on their poetries.
At another book release function held in the capital, The Saraswats, a book on the Saraswat community, was released by renowned filmmaker Shyam Benegal yesterday.
The book, which is a compilation of articles on the Saraswat community written by various individuals, is edited by the well-known Konkani writer Chandrakant Keni. At the function that was organized by the V.M. Salgaonkar Foundation to commemorate the 24th death anniversary of Goa's well-known industrialist, late V.M. Salgaonkar, Mr. Shyam Benegal said that the book would be worth a read.
Today you have Saraswats in UP who speak Hindi and Urdu, and then you have Saraswats in Bengal who speak Bengali, then you have Saraswats in Andhra who speak Telugu, and then of course on the west coast all the way down the Konkan coast to Cochin, where you have several Saraswati communities. So I presume this particular book deals with this part of the community, and I think Mr. Chandrakant Keni has done an exceptional job with this particular book.
The Goa Kshatriya Maratha Samaj distributed scholarships to 160 students at a function held recently at the Kshatriya Maratha Samaj Hall in Porvorim.
Speaking at the function, Sushant Tandel, a committee member, stressed on the need for developing inner strength. Also speaking at the function was Advocate K. Bhosle, who encouraged the students of the community to work hard towards achieving their goals.
The three-day All India Sai Inter-Regional Judo Championships 2008 got underway yesterday at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fattauda at Margao.
The championship is being organized by the Sports Authority of India in collaboration with the Sports Training Centre Ponda and will go on till the 15th of this month. Speaking to Goa 365, S. Rajput, Administrative Officer of the Sports Training Centre Ponda, gave us details about the championship.
So there are nearly 200 participants participating in the championship, and today we are going to finish almost 20 weight groups in the different groups of girls and boys, and they will be given a gold medal, silver medal and bronze medals, plus they will be given the t-shirts, and they will be given the certificates also. So in this tournament we are having an international players who have won the medal at the international level, like South Asia Judo Championship. There also they have won the medals. So there are many international players who are participating now in this competition. So this competition is kept by the Sports Authority of India to give a exposure to the upcoming judokas.
With that, we come to an end of this news bulletin. We'll be back with more from the news desk of Goa 365. Until then, goodbye.